Hey, Americans now owe over $1.23 trillion in credit card debt, and average utilization is hitting 35%, tanking scores nationwide. One mistake can drop your score 100 points and cost thousands in interest. Trust me, it happens fast. Today, the 7 biggest credit mistakes destroying scores and how to fix them quick, like if your score needs help. Imagine your score plummeting just from everyday habits you think are fine. With delinquencies rising, these mistakes hit harder now. Let's start with the deadliest one most ignore. Comment if you've ever paid late. But the next one's even sneakier. Stay tuned. Mistake number 1, late or missed payments. Payment history is 35% of your FICO score. Even one 30-day late can drop it 100 points and linger for years. Late fees and penalty rates pile on fast. Fix it. Set auto pay and reminders now. Lates trigger 29% plus penalty APRs and $35 fees each time. Forgetting is common, adding hundreds in interest quick. Imagine that from one slip. Automate payments and check statements monthly. It protects your score big time. Fixed payments? Great. But most still get hit by number 2. It's sneaky, feels okay, but traps millions in debt. If lates ring true like this. Next, the habit-killing utilization ratios. Mistake number 2, high utilization, over 30% of limits. It's 30% of your score. Average now around 35%, dragging scores down. Maxing signals risk, even if paid timely. Aim under 30%, best 10% for max boost. High use raises red flags for lenders, hurting approvals and rates. Pay down balances or request limit increases carefully. Track it monthly. Dropping below 30% can boost scores fast. Utilization over 30% signals overspending risk. Ideal is single digits for top scores. In reports, it's calculated per card and overall. Lower it before statements close for best impact. Utilization fixed, good. But number 3 keeps people paying forever. It's the minimum payment trap, like if high balances hit you. Coming up next. Mistake number 3, paying only the minimum. It covers interest mostly, dragging debt years and costing thousands extra. Minimums are low on purpose. Banks profit big. Pay more than minimum or extra principal to escape fast. Example, $5,000 balance at 20% APR, minimum only. It takes over 20 years and costs $8,000 plus interest. Shocking, right? Pay double minimum or use avalanche method to slash time and save thousands. Minimums trap you long term, but just 4 waste money differently. It's closing old accounts. Seems smart, but hurts scores bad. Comment if you've closed cards. Next one's a big one. Mistake number 4, closing old credit cards. Ages of accounts are 15% of your score. Closing oldest shortens history, drops score quick. It also spikes utilization if balances remain. Keep old cards open. Use occasionally. Average age matters. Closing a 10-year card can cut history in half, dropping 50-plus points. Lenders love long responsible history. Sock drawer the card. Set small recurring charge if needed. Old accounts safe? Good. But Turbo 5 is applying too many new ones. Chasing rewards hurts hard inquiries, like if you love sign-up bonuses. Wait for the worst one soon. Mistake number 5, too many new applications. Hard inquiries are 10% of score. Multiple, in months, drop at 20, 50 points each batch. New credit signals risk. Space apps 6+ months apart. Rate shopping? Bundle same type inquiries in 14 to 45 days. They count as one. But mixing cards, loans, hurts more. Check soft pull prequels first to avoid dings. We're over halfway. These mistakes tanking scores big, but the next 2 are silent killers most miss. Stick around for number 6. It costs thousands quietly. Subscribe if you're learning. Mistake number 6, not checking reports for errors. 1 in 5 have mistakes dragging scores, wrong accounts, old debts. Free weekly reports at annualcreditreport.com. Dispute errors online fast. They must investigate. Fixing errors can boost 50, 100 points quick. Do it yearly minimum. But number 7 is the biggest, most destructive if ignored. Comment your score range. You're about to hear it. Mistake number 7, the biggest destroyer, carrying credit card debt at all. With average APRs over 22%, interest eats thousands yearly on revolving balances. Total U.S. debt hit $1.233 trillion recently. Pay in full monthly. It's the ultimate score and wealth protector. Carrying balances means paying banks huge interest. Average rates 22% plus. Even small debt compounds fast. In 2025, utilization around 35 to 36% signals trouble, dropping scores. Zero balance is best. Use cards. Pay off fully. Imagine $6,000 average balance at 22%. Over $1,300 interest yearly if minimum only. Shocking waste. Pay full. Avoid that trap. Your score thanks you with boosts. Quick recap. Late payments, high utilization, minimums only, closing old cards, too many inquiries, ignoring errors, and worst, carrying debt. Avoid these. Watch your score climb. Which hits you hardest? Comment below. Now the good news. Fixing these is straightforward. Start with auto pay. Keep utilization low, pay extra, monitor reports. Consistent habits build excellent credit fast. You've got this. For lates, auto pay everything. High use, pay down, stay under 30%. Minimums, always pay more than minimum, target principal. These 3 alone boost scores huge. Keep old cards open. Limit new apps. Check reports free weekly. Dispute errors. Best. Pay balances full monthly. No interest. Max rewards. Implement today. Picture this. Alex was drowning in habits like these. Score tanked. He automated, paid down, monitored. Now 800 plus score. Lower rates everywhere. You can too. Start small. Stay consistent. These fixes work. Millions boosted scores avoiding pitfalls. If this helped, like and share with a friend struggling. Subscribe for more tips on debt payoff, building wealth. Bell on for notifications. Thanks for watching. Avoid these 7 mistakes. Fix them now. Build the credit you deserve. Better scores mean better life. Lower rates, more opportunities. What's your first fix today? Comment. See you next video. Ready to fix your credit starting today? Pull your free reports, set auto pay, pay down balances. Small steps lead to big wins like lower rates and financial freedom. Hit subscribe and bell for more practical money tips. Excellent credit unlocks better loans, apartments, jobs, even lower insurance. Avoid these mistakes. Build habits. Enjoy the perks. You've got the tools now. Go make it happen. Thanks for watching. Avoid those 7 credit killers. Fix them fast. If this video helped, comment your top takeaway, share with someone needing it. Subscribe for weekly U.S. finance advice on debt, investing, side hustles. See you next time. One last thing. Grab your free credit reports weekly and start monitoring today. Link in description. Stay smart with your money. Credit fixed means life upgraded. Thanks again. Drop a comment on your biggest mistake or win. Bell on. Notifications ready. Until next video, build that wealth.